All right, so I'm gonna have us do arms on the long box. If I have long box set up, I'll just have people go into arms this way. It's an easy way just to transition to arms if you're on the long box. I'm on one blue spring, grabbing the straps. So normally I like to have people sitting with, so the knees like over the feet, ankles. You could sit like this or you could have the legs hanging off, so depending on your height. I'm gonna start with the inside straps, so if it gets too heavy, I'm going to go to the long straps. So normally I would start having people lifting and then dropping. It's also good to do these on long boxes. If you're on the short box, you might hit the box. 5, we'll just do 8 of everything. 4, 3, 2, last one. Good. For the next one, because it's going to be heavier, I'm going to go into the long straps. Circles. 7, it's up to you how big you go, but you do want to keep the shoulders relaxed. Keeping the abs in. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then reverse it. Sometimes the reverse is harder. 7, 6, 5, 4, definitely feeling it. 3, 2, last one. I'm going to rest for a second. The next ones are going to be heavier because we're going to end up going up. So I'm going to have the arms at the side. I'm going to hinge forward, up to the ceiling and wall and down. Still keeping the abs in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, rest for a second. Definitely feeling that. And then the last one I'm going to have us do here is interlacing the hands, hinge forward, keep the elbows in, going up and then down. Still keeping the abs in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, so that's just something different you could do on the long box doing arms. Of course, you could do hugs, you could do serving, and you could do the shaving, the salute, and then shaving. But those are just different ones that I add in on the long box.